Want to show your screen to others during a Zoom call? Here's how to enable screen sharing in just a few clicks. If you're the meeting host, click the security icon at the bottom of your Zoom window. Click the box that says Allow participants to share screen. This instantly gives other permission to share. Want to customize further? Click the up arrow next to Share Screen and select Advanced Sharing Options. And here you can allow one or multiple participants to share at once, decide whether only the host or everyone can start sharing. To make screen sharing a default option, visit your Zoom account on zoom.us. Go to Settings and scroll down to the Meeting Basic section. Find screen sharing and choose your preferences. Now ready to share presentations, video or anything else, like a pro. Drop a comment if screen sharing saved a day. Like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this.